this is the pointing on the outside of the bedding, and that's the concrete bedding underneath, and the concrete bedding's moving. G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so I've just installed a roof vent on this roof. And I'm just looking at the bedding and the pointing and the roof restoration work that needs to be done now. And you can see here that this needs to be rebedded and pointed. You can see this is the pointing on the outside of the bedding, and that's the concrete bedding underneath. And the concrete bedding's moving because it's come away from the tile and the cap. And so it probably all needs to be rebedded and pointed, this roof. So put that back in there best we can, but that's what all the caps look like. There's 80 caps, and if they have a good bit of rain, there's nothing much stopping the water coming up through under the bedding and into the roof, or the caps from lifting. You can see that's the other roof vent that we put in down there, and so we'll quote them on rebedding and pointing, and also the tiles could do with the paint to seal the concrete, because there's actually exposed bedding concrete like this. You can see that there, and so this mould here's got to come off. We high pressure hose that off, but this bare concrete needs to be sealed and repainted, otherwise all your tiles will eventually go porous and brittle. Okay.